Hello guys, today I will give you the review for the shoes, for the sneaker that I just bought, the famous Stan Smith guys. And the color I select this time is pink. I know it's a bit unusual color, but this time this color is really in the fashion guys. So this is Adidas Stan Smith, which is pink in color. And you can see here from the shoes, this you see here this lining, there's stitches over here, and there's a famous Adidas logo as you guys can see, and there are three stripes which they make it like a dotted three stripes of Adidas. And then from here the famous Stan Smith picture endorsed by Stan Smith, and then there is a sign of this guy, and inside you can see Adidas here. So it's a really nice shoes guys. I tried it and it's really comfortable, and from the front it looks like this, and the surface is not a smooth surface, but they make it like this, a little rough surface over there. And then there is a stitches from the front, and the laces are like this, and from the back side it looked like that. So the famous Adidas logo, and from the downside it looked like that. From the bottom there is a dotted structure over there, and it's a flat surface, the famous Adidas logo over here. So it's a really nice shoes, really comfortable shoes. You can use it as a casual wear. Also you can use this with any kind of suits. It's really looking good. Really cool shoes though, you can see here. And downside there is a size, and all things are mentioned over here. The article code is also written there, and and you can see here this, it looks like that. The box is famous three stripe old Adidas. So this is how it looks like guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy the review, and I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.